Hello everybody. Thanks for subscribing. So we're in the backyard of the house and my house, and I found something. I want to fence off this backyard, right? Cuz the house is right there. I mean, it's the backyard. You're supposed to fence it off. And I found something back here that scared me. So I'm going to start the fence. I'm going to start the fence closer to than what I expected at first. Then I gotta cut the yard and stuff. But look at this thing. I told Gabs to stay where the house is because I don't know what this is. Marquise is in the house asleep, and I'm in the backyard trudging through, and I found this scary thing. So we're fencing off in front of this thing, but a ways in front of this thing, and I'm scared. I want to see what it is. It's like the Blair Witch Project in my backyard. This is crazy. I haven't cut this. My stepdad, he had cut the yard when we first moved in, but I haven't cut the yard this far back. I don't even go back to this thing. Whatever practices. I want you to know, but it's the woods. Like, this is so wild. Yeah, this is the part of my backyard I don't go into, man, because some of this I think is like the neighbor's yards too. But look at this area. I think this is where like Krakens come. So we're gonna gate off the yard before we get to the Kraken den. This is crazy. If anybody knows, thanks for subscribing, everyone. So it doesn't sound like I'm just like talking to myself and video recording. Actually, having subbies is beginning to mean something because I'm making content. But if anyone knows what to do about some of these trees, because like it's a good point to stop or to start the Gabagaz fence right here by this double tree here, and then run it across about no more than 100 feet, I guess, and then up to meet. And then that might be too much back here. Then right here, I think this might be enough back here. Where the dog houses are. I don't know. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified on my next upload.